friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Thermaltake's two latest pre-built white PCs. So friends, Thermaltake has announced the addition of two new pre-built high-performance gaming PCs to LCGS liquid cooling gaming system product lineup, and model number is the Avalanche i477T and Quartz 360T. And friends, these two models come in sleek white PC cases and offer gamers the latest liquid cooling technology and best-in-class components, ensuring a high-performance gaming experience. So friends, the Avalanche i477T is powered by latest Intel 13th generation Core i7 13700KF and features an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 Ti graphics card, while the Quartz 360T is powered by AMD Ryzen 7 7700X and features an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 Ti graphics card, and both models are now available at Best Buy. So friend, if I talk about key specification, the key specification of Avalanche i477T AIO liquid cooled gaming PC, which comes with storage type of SSD and 2TB of total storage capacity and 2TB of SSD capacity, and friend 32GB DDR5 system memory RAM, and liquid cooling system and operating system is Windows 10. And friend, the Quartz 360T AIO liquid cooled gaming PC, which will be comes with SSD type storage space, 1TB total storage capacity and 1TB of SSD capacity, and 16GB DDR5 RAM, and operating system Windows 10 and liquid cooling system. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.